Today we're unboxing ring light and microphone. So I want you to unbox with me. There's the ring light. This is the microphone. I bought this for 15,000 naira in Alaba International. Let's unbox it. It has iPhone, Android, and you can still use it for Type C. Type C, which is Samsung or any other Type C phone. It has two. My two people can use it, and it has charger. Let me open the charger. This is where the charger is.
So please guys, watch this video to the end so that you can see how much I bought the ring light. Please guys, I'm begging you.
It comes with this charger, so I'm gonna use it. So let's unbox the ring light. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I don't know why I'm happy like this. This is the ring light. Can you see it? It's 14 inches. I don't know if you guys can see it. It is 14 inches ring light. And let me unbox it. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god, let's look at it. So it has, this way I've placed it. It has holder, phone holder one phone holder. This is the this is the that I used for it. So
This is the stand guys, so I'm going to mount this stand. Can you believe that this stand is very tall? It's taller than the tallest man in this in the whole world. Oh my god. Yeah, let's do it, Jerry. I've been wanting to make this unboxing video for a long time, but the noise and my environment is too much. So I said today I must do the unboxing video because I don't want anything to hold me back anymore.
let's see how tall it is. It is what it is. So this way I can go. So guys, look at how tall.
The noise on this video is too much, so I decided to mute the real voice and the voiceover.
Let me mount the ring light.
So guys, pardon with me with the noise at the background, please. This is the first video I'm making, although I'm supposed to upload this video first, but I don't know why I did not upload it, but I decided today to upload it. Pardon with me, and I did not use mic on this video. I did not use editing, so this is the first unboxing video I'm making, my first ever video, but I did not post it. I don't know why. Pardon with me guys. In this place I'd already make mistake. I'm supposed to fix one of the distance under before I put the ring light, so I'm going to remove the ring light and fix it again, so bear with me guys. So my honest review about the Q9 microphone that we just unbox, you can still manage it and still use it for the main time if you're just starting out on your content creation. Manage and use it, so whenever you have money you can go and buy the one that will cancel the noise at your environment, because I'm not sure this one's cancel the noise environment. But the main reason why I love this Q9 microphone is that you can use it for three different phones, like Android brush, Android mount, Type C mount, and iPhone. And you can still use it for interview because you add two mic, and you can buy the quality one if you have the money that can suit the voice at your environment. But for now that you're just starting out, please use the one that you can afford so that you can move your ministry. Thank you. See ya. But if you don't have money to start buying microphone for the start, you can use your phone like that, and you go to CapCut and remove the background noise, and that is it. Please don't allow anything to hold you back for your content creation journey. You hear me?
Wow. Can you guys see how beautiful I am? My head. This is the one. This is the fluorescence nature. This is the, don't know what they call this one. Oh my god. Oh my, let me plug in the microphone so that you can hear me clearly and loud. So guys, this is when I have plugged in the microphone. I don't know, maybe you guys can hear me. So this is the ring lights. Let me change the color so you will see which one is the best to use. Wow, this is the fluorescence. Is it fluorescence or what? Yeah. If I want to increase it, I can increase. If I want to decrease, I'll decrease it. If I want to increase, I can increase. So the other one too, same thing. If you want to increase, I'll do so. Thanks guys for watching my video. So this ring light, I bought it for 15,000 naira, 14 inches at Ablaba International. So that's it for today. Thanks. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. This is my official first YouTube video. Thank you for watching. Bye.